Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this video about oil, crude oil. So let's get started here and see what is happening here. So this is the current US crude monthly chart. Forget about this. This is an old date here. Today is what, 27, right? So this is what's happening, right? Up, down, all that sideways going up and down, the price changing, uptrend, downtrend. So now it was coming down here all the way and kind of like, bouncing from this area here, right? So these are the couple of highs and this is the low, and it may go up, right? But monthly chart doesn't tell you much except the bigger picture. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. But before, let me show you a chart that I made a couple of weeks ago. Was this when it was down there on the 16th, March 16th. This is the chart I made, showing that, okay, these are the levels that you're probably going to stop the move and you might be able to go to the upside, right? So what happened to this chart so far, and where do we stand now today, is this same chart, right? Let me see. Okay, all right, yeah. And see what happened is that it last 2 weeks. Now, current week and the last week, it start to go up exactly from there. And you can see the divergence also, was helping. It was on that previous chart as well. Momentum was dying out. So it started to go up now, and it's going to the upside. And let's see what happened. But this is this bounce from here, I think it's for good, and we're probably going to go much higher. And on the basis of that, I took the trade today. Where the heck is that? Okay, here. So the long trade on this oil today using my system, and you can see how nice and beautiful it gives you the like confirmed entries. This was the first entry here. Actually, this one was the first entry here. The second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, continue going to the answer. And now this one was the one that I took here, the buy order, SL move to break even from 69.55. I took it to 73. Okay. So this is how the system gives you so many entries and confirm entries, whichever way it goes. It doesn't matter. If it goes up, this is how it goes. Give you constant entries, and if it goes down, yeah, I had several trades going down when it was dropping. A few weeks before, it was just dropping, right? So I had like 8-10 trades to the downside, but this is now is going to the upside. So this is the first one long. Recent today, I just took it today and I closed it. So this is what I was showing, that now this is what we are doing, and whatever the system you're using, or the entry system, whatever entry method, use it. But this is what is happening right now. Okay, so now the big level is coming. It's like 74.94. Right? That's a monthly low. And if we break that, then we're probably going to go, these few numbers here, and then the big number is 85.01. All right. So just wanted to show you guys. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll be making my next video probably NASDAQ. I mean, that I'm supposed to make that, but I got bombarded with this request for oil. So I said, okay, oil going up. So let me just make the video and then show everyone what is happening. Okay. So manage yourself accordingly and trade, safely. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You're going to get the video as soon as I upload that. All right. So bye for now, and we'll see you in the NASDAQ video.